Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Gamma AI Plus and Pro. Gamma AI offers both Plus and Pro plans, each catering to different types of users depending on how deeply you want to use the platform. If you're someone who just needs to create beautiful AI-powered presentations occasionally, and the Plus plan can be a great fit. It gives you access to more templates, higher export quality, and more customization tools than the free version. It's ideal if you're making slides for small meetings, school projects, or client pitches without needing team collaboration. But if you're working professionally, maybe with teams, clients, or publishing frequently, then the Pro plan gives you extra power. You get features like advanced branding options, export to PPT or PDF, priority rendering, and team collaboration. It's also useful if you're designing multiple presentations in a week or need consistent style and polish. Now about the plan, Gamma offers a free plan, then the Plus plan at $8 per month, and a Pro plan at $15 per month. If you're casual users, go with Plus. If you're serious about presentations or working with others, Pro is worth the upgrade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.